Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to track the progress of our projects, and we can do that by going to the Everything tab. The Everything tab gives us several views of things that have happened in all of our projects over all time. So we can go and browse every discussion, review all of the open to-dos within lists. We can look at every single file. We can read all of the text documents. We can show forwarded emails as well as deleted items. Now again, each one of these links is going to show us all of the activity over all time. And this screen is actually good for finding things when something has happened or you're trying to trace activity. However, we want to know what has happened since the last time that we logged in. We'll want to go to the progress bar, and we're going to click progress here. Now that's going to give us a listing of all of the activity noted in Basecamp inside of our projects made by individuals within those projects. So we'll be able to walk back through each and every one of these activities and note exactly what happened. As an administrator, we can look at the activity of everyone on our team. So for example, we can click the activity of an individual on our team and we can see their latest activity specifically. We can click all and see all of their activity specifically. Now we can track progress specific activity by going inside of a project, and we can click on all updates. If we click on all of the updates, we'll be able to follow everything that's happened. And if we want to be specific, of course, we can look at all of the discussions. Now these are not necessarily updated outside of these areas. However, as you can see, we have alternatives to find out what has happened, again, since we've last logged in. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.